today I'm joined with my amazing husband, Freddie. Today's video, we're going to be sharing with you guys 3 decor ideas for your winter decorations. So if you guys are actually interested in seeing these 3 fun winter decoration ideas, then keep watching. So for this first DIY, you're going to need a truck. And I actually purchased this one at Hobby Lobby. I mentioned this in my winter home decor haul. So we're going to be updating it just so it matches our winter decor. And apart from the truck, you're also going to need spray paint of your choice. So I'm actually debating between this aqua color or this ocean mist, which is also a gloss. And then of course you're going to need pine cones to decorate the inside of the truck. As you can see, our truck has a ton of little details like the black and silver, but that's okay because we're going to go in with acrylic paint and paint in those details after we spray paint. Actually decided, and I think I'm gonna go with ocean mist because it does match my winter decorations a lot better. After giving this truck a few coats of paint, I went ahead and added some detail with acrylic paint just to make it look a little bit more rustic. So for the winter time, I thought it would be a super cute idea to add some pine cones in the back of my truck as a cute little centerpiece. For this next decor idea, it's how to update your centerpiece. So also I mentioned this in my winter decor haul. I have this like floral beading wire thing that I'm going to be adding into the flowers. And then I also have these beautiful white glitter branches. I'm actually gonna first start off with adding in the branches. And then all you do is literally stick it in the top, like that.
Okay.
Cute. And this kind of goes with the frozen theme of like the birch trees. So I think I'm gonna add this to the back. I'm gonna add this, just sticking them in. Cute. This is just a great way to update your centerpiece without having to purchase a completely new one. Last decor idea, we're actually going to be making winter garlands. Snowflake garlands to be more specific. So Fred is going to be making a small one for our bar cart that lives in our dining room, and I'm actually going to be making a larger one for our mantle, our fireplace that's in our living room. So I actually got these jumbo felt snowflakes at Target. Those we actually picked up at
Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. And then to string them, because I want my snowflakes to look like they're floating, we're actually going to be using some fishing twine. And this is 700 yards. This thing will last you forever. This one, because it doesn't have any like holes at the top, I'm just gonna have to string it through the center. Oh, that's cute. What you got there? Oh, you already finished?
Okay.
Let's see that. Oh, let me see.
Ta-da!
Pretty. Let me hold this. So this is Freddie's garland. 1, 2. Oh, scratch that. We're gonna do it this print instead because it looks more bougie.
Elegant.
Okay, elegant. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's hang. I also went ahead and added some of those felt snowflakes on my mirror along with one of my lit up birch trees. I think they're so cute, and I also utilize the fishing line just so they look like they're floating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try it in your own home. Please make sure to send us pictures to our Instagram at him and her homemade.
Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And make sure to turn on those notifications. That way you know every single time we post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay. She be scaring me sometimes, right?
And hit that like button, guys.
Just you gotta